face the back. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Heel, toe, ball change to the right. Heel, toe, ball change. Heel, toe, ball change. Then you're going to step forward on right foot again and stomp, stomp, turn, jump, back, jump together. Back, together. You walk forward 2 times. 1, 2. Step out on your right foot. You go cross, cross, pull. Then you're going to do full lap ball change to your left. Full lap ball change, brush, back, step, jump, cross, dig to the right. Jump, cross, dig, jump, cross, dig. Then you do it to the left. Full lap ball change, brush, back, step, jump, cross, dig, jump, cross, dig. Then you're going to step on your left foot, step, cross your right foot on top, turn back to face the front. Then you're going to do toe, heel, step, 3-point rip, toe, heel, step, stomp, clap, clap. Then you're going to do a jazz square, cross your right foot on top, cross, tap, side, front. Then you do 3-point rip again, toe, heel, step, stomp, clap, clap. From there, you're going to take your right foot and you're going to dig your heel out, dig. Then you're going to step, switch. Then you're going to step, toe, clap, clap. You're going to do heel, toe, ball change 2 times. Heel, toe, ball, change. Heel, toe, ball, change. Double shuffle, ball change. Double shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, shuffle, ball, change. Shuffle, shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, shuffle, ball, change. Shuffle, shuffle, hop, step. Then you're going to do basic time step, stomp front and back. Front, back, brush, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Then you're going to do a grapevine to your right. Side, back, side, touch. You're going to reach your left arm up, up, hip, and you look down. Then you look up. Then you look side. Then you look front. Then you're going to walk 4 times. 1, 2, 3, open, 4. You reach out,